In the last MooDeng price prediction, I literally said that I'm shorting right here and I'm gonna be longing right here or right here, depending on what price, what the market gives us. And what happened? What was the exact thing that happened? First of all, we managed to short from this is exactly what happened, by the way. We shorted from here, and you can go back and just see the video, rewatch the video, and we longed to this week right here. And after that, we just took a pause because we were on vacation. I was on vacation, and I only traded meme coins. On meme coins, I'm up on extra 10 grand. We're at 274 grand. Last few videos, I was 265. We're looking for new trades right now. So yeah, if you want to learn more about the meme coin chains, there's link in the description down below for my course, which I've discounted a lot, and my signals chat. So what is going to happen right now on MooDeng? The first thing I want to make sure I understand is what is the overall trend of the market. And the overall trend of the market is, yes, we're up right now, and we did have a breakout, but we retested it and dumped, which is not good. So here's what we need to do to make sure we can sustain this growth. The first thing I want you to notice is this is bugging out a little bit, is this low right here, and then this low right here. We need to have a clear direction, and the clear direction right now is a dump. Why is it a dump? The first reason is this candle right here. And this candle right here on the daily chart, as you can see, we lost a 20 here. We lost $20 million, and here 30 million. We're closed. These are trades that were closed. This is a massive amount of trades closed. Basically, a lot of these, like 80% of these trades right here are closed now. So people that bought in here sold the top, they're up 50%, 30%, whatever, 40%, and are out. So right now, since the shorts are down so much, we're at like 0 shorts. I'm expecting a move to the downside for the next few days, and we'll see how price reacts to everything. Every pump that we have, I will be interested in shorting. So right here, we have this area where a lot of people will have their stop losses at. I want price to go there, and we short from there. Leave it on my heart. This is a little bit more about how I am planning to trade this. Also in the link in the description down below, I'll have links for Weex if you want to claim your $20, 20% deposit bonus plus a $10 to $100 coupon for just securing your account. Check it out. This is a special bonus only available with link in the description down below. Plus, you're supporting the channel that way. See you next video.